Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kanye West, and welcome to the 2018-2019 U.S. presidential debate. Gentlemen, we may start. Mr. Dom, how do you feel about the economy right now?
Right meow?
Right now.
Right meow?
Right now.
The economy is good because the economy is great. But right meow? The economy could be gooder.
All right, you know what? This is ridiculous. You know what? I have places to be and people to beat. And speaking of beating, you know what I do best? I beat people up. So why don't we settle this the best way possible with a fight?
Oh, hey.
Alas, I knew you well.